All right, so what do you do when you have a situation where your slab is just so bad that you cannot go epoxy directly to the slab without doing some major prep work? Well, in this case, this slab was really, really bad, maybe one of the worst we've ever seen. But we're going to fix it. We're going to get it into shape. We're going to be able to do our metallic epoxy on top of this with a little bit of extra work. But what we're going to do is we're going to prep it for self-leveling concrete. So as you can see, there's glue that's very uneven, it's rough, there's paint, there's all kinds of things on this slab that we would just never want to go directly on top of. So we're here with our Velcro-backed attachment on a floor buffing machine. We've got 6 of our diamond pucks on the bottom, and we're just going over it to try to smooth it down just a little bit, get a little bit of that texture out of it, but more importantly, to prep it for the self-leveling concrete so that it's able to bond to it. We're also going to be removing the glue that's on top of this as well. So as you can see, it's a fairly easy process. We're going at a rate of about 300 square feet an hour or so with this, and this is going to get us all ready for our self-leveling concrete that we're going to put on top of this floor, so that way we can then do our metallic epoxy. Here's the self-leveling that's going down. We're following the manufacturer's directions. We're going to put it down at about 3/16 of an inch on average. We're just trying to resurface this floor to give us a smooth surface to get rid of any of the texture that's in this floor. That way we're not having to spend money on a ton of extra epoxy that may or may not fix the issue anyway. So in a situation like this, let's just go with some self-leveling concrete. It's fairly easy to install. A couple people can do this, and it's fairly economical to do as well. So let's just watch as this process plays out. All right, so after we got the self-leveling concrete poured, we let it dry for a couple of days so that all of the moisture could be released from the self-leveling concrete, because we didn't want to trap any moisture under our epoxy. We've already gone ahead, we've done the primer, we did it in black, and now we're putting down the silver designer metallic epoxy. We're going to apply this just like we do every other metallic epoxy floor. So we'll just go ahead and let it roll here, and we'll see how this floor transforms. So there you have it. With a little extra work, installing self-leveling concrete, we were able to fix this floor, apply our designer metallic epoxy on top, and transform this space into a beautiful designer metallic epoxy floor. For more information on this process and any of our other products, visit our website at www.epoxyplus.com or contact us through our website with any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching.